2013 Ford CMX Hybrid SE. I show you guys how to replace battery. Okay. First one, when your batteries die, you cannot open trunk. So what you need to do? You need charge a little bit battery. You can charge on front, under hood. That is location. You will see that. Or you need to remove that stuff. This stuff, its location over here. Can you show, please? That's 3 bolts over here. 1, 2, 3. I put them back so you never lost that. So I show you another stuff. That is metal. You can, but you don't need that because this is warranty for 9 years, I believe. When you remove that, this is real hybrid battery. This one. This is all battery. This is coolant for hybrid battery. Okay, so you do not touch anything like that. Battery location over here. This is plus part. This is plus. Battery die. Don't worry about that. Okay, 10 millimeters nuts. 10 millimeters nuts. First, when you remove that stuff, you understand. Okay, you remove that because anyway battery is bad. So what you need to do? Pull battery. Okay, when you pull battery, you will see this stuff. This stuff is location over here. I don't know what that. It should be over here. Okay, you remove that battery and go to store or Ford dealer. So, like I explained you, to open trunk, you need charge battery first, a little bit, by this stuff. Okay, but when you open your trunk, and you won't close that, that's closed, you cannot open again, and you cannot replace battery because it's not comfortable to replace battery from that side. Over here is very good. So what you do when you open trunk, you take some stuff and push, and when you push, lock is closed. When lock is closed, do you see? Lock is closed. So when you close your trunk, it's not closed anymore. So next day, for example, tomorrow, I will put new battery. I open trunk and working. It's very comfortable. Okay, guys, I show you. So that stuff. Another one. This stuff. This is stuff over here location. Before you remove battery, you need to screw out that bolt. And this nut over here. One more nut over here. That nut, you remove that nut. It's 10 millimeters too. That nut is hold this one. So you need screw 1, 2, 3, 4 screw out. Take that out, put over there. You know your Ford, that is location over here. Okay, you just take that out, screw out battery. So to replace trunk, you need charge old battery a little bit. Okay, this stuff or more how to say that, more powerful.